Hi everyone! Today we are making a Filipino dish called Monggo. And Monggo is a mung bean, and this is the brand I use for this dish. So here are the ingredients. We're using Monggo, spinach, tomato, garlic, onion, and pork shoulders, fish sauce, salt and pepper. And we're gonna be using some cooking oil to cook everything. So let's begin cooking this dish because I'm hungry. Make sure that your pot is hot and add your cooking oil. Saute garlic, onion, and tomato. Add pork, mix it, and cook it for 5 minutes. Add fish sauce and mix it well. Add freshly cracked pepper. Add 8 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add mung beans and cook it until softened. Add spinach, turn off the heat, and cook it for about a minute. Our monggo is done. It's time to eat. The best partner of monggo is fried galunggong.